Today I'm going to show you how to add music to Google Vids. So we can add music to this project over here in Google Vids. On the right hand side, we will come down to uploads, click on uploads, and over here you can either upload from your Google Drive, Google Photos, or you can go and you can upload directly from your device. Okay, so we want to look for media type over here, click on audio, and then you'll be able to upload directly from here. Now, what we can also do is come down to stock, and in stock we can see that right at the top we have search all stock. And on the right, we can change this to music, and here we can either search a particular type of music, we can use some of these tags over here, or we can just have a look what's popped up as the popular ones. And then on the right hand side of the name, you'll see the preview audio as well as the insert audio. Go ahead, let's say we want this one here. Let's click on the plus icon, it has been inserted. Here we can click on the sound button. Here you will see that you can change the sound settings for this track or all the tracks, but for now we're going to keep it at this track. You're going to change the volume. You can also add an audio transition, which means it'll fade in or fade out, and then we have automatic ducking. Okay, so right now there are no changes to the audio level, but if you would like, while there is narration, you can lower the volume of other clips while this clip is playing, or you can have this clip lower in volume when clips with talking is playing. Okay, so depending on what it is that you'd like to do here, go ahead and change that. You've now added music to your clip in Google Videos.